We interrupt our beer money mania coverage because new stuff just dropped and I gotta make a first thoughts video on it. Hello everyone, we got two big updates today, and since I don't have an updates video that I plan to bring out until around May, I thought I would use this time to give my first thoughts on these updates. So first off, with Atlas Earth. Atlas Earth has added an all-new Atlas Arcade, where you can earn Atlas Bucks simply by playing video games. For those of you that are in the know with beer money apps in general, this is basically the exact same format as those Playtime apps, basically. It's that app that starts paying you a unit of a reward for every minute to start, then slowly expands that out to every 2 minutes, then 3 minutes. I'm going to give you an example here. Look at this one. You see here, play 1 minute, 1 Atlas Buck, then 1 minute, then 2 minutes, I'll give you another one. And then you continue playing to unlock more levels. It's very similar to what you'd see if you've ever played this on Benjamin, or Bridge, or Coin, or Cashwalk, or MacAdam. Yeah, so if you know of any of those apps, or basically almost any beer money app in general, you know of Playtime. Now, I've been wanting to do a video sometime comparing and contrasting Playtime apps and seeing what the value is worth for each app and which app using Playtime will give you the best bang for your buck. Maybe one of my fellow Beer Money Network members, Tasty Wallet, might do a video on it sometime before me. But honestly, I will say I think that Atlas Earth could be a frontrunner for this. Now, I'm saying this because if you think long-term and you don't think this app is going to go down in a couple years or so, an Atlas Buck is not worth any discrete value. It's a continuous value that you get via rent from parcels. Now, granted, you get paid less, of course. A single Atlas Buck is only worth 1/100th of a parcel, and by calculation, depending on the boost tier you're in, that parcel is usually only worth anywhere between, I don't know, 15 to like $1.50 a year worth of rent money for each parcel, depending on the boost tier, of course. If you're 2x or 30x, 10 cents to $1.50, my bad. Whereas one coin from, say, Bridge Money or Benjamin only translates to 1 penny, and that's it. It's all down to how much you think Atlas Earth will stick around, and of course, for some of you, maybe you'd rather just have the penny than the continuous amount. Some prefer the continuous amount and the added benefits it gives in-game. Either way, it does depend on how you think that Atlas Earth's Playtime app can be the best or maybe even the worst payout. So to answer the question on would I use it myself personally, well, if you can see here, I don't have any real high-paying apps to use it on. I will say the highest paid app that I have seen on Playtime by far is usually Coin Master. And if you have that, I strongly suggest playing that until it becomes too tedious to play. Usually that's about the halfway point with rewards, I'd say. You start off with 12 Atlas Bucks for a single minute, and you keep going. Yeah, I would play it for like, I think 634, I believe, is the maximum. I'm going to have the screenshot here that shows you. I would just play like halfway, get a few parcels out of it. You know, that'd be pretty cool. And yeah, I will say, even though I'm not a big fan of the Playtime apps because I usually end up getting apps like these to play, I got to give them an A for effort. I've mentioned Atlas Earth has long needed to get out of this concept of being a metaverse and more into the concept of being a rewards app and all the offer walls that come with it, of course. And I'm glad that they're starting to take another step into that. Honestly, as soon as they get offer walls up, though, I would think the next stop is bringing more utility to the game as well. So maybe, you know, polishing this up by adding buildings or filling out the auction and landmark tabs, you know, stuff like that. Speaking of rewards apps, Bridge has started the process of opening up the waitlist for Earn Plus. If you signed up for their Facebook Bridge Money Squad group, you are now eligible to sign up for Earn Plus for a limited time. If you want more information on Bridge Money, check out this video on Earn Plus over here on the top right. It explains the benefits of Bridge Earn Plus. In my opinion, Bridge is a lot more useful with Earn Plus, and it's honestly average at best without it. It only costs $52 a year with $2 or $2 a week, I should say, depending on. If you aren't a member of the Bridge Money Squad, it should be available on your app under their X account screen, and I'm going to show you right here in this little screenshot, and you'll see that right there. Click on it and check it out. The video ads alone more than pay out for bridge money, and I'm going to show another video that shows my review that explains that, and that doesn't count all the other benefits you get, which I explain on the video above. Again, the one on the top right. Go to that one or the one that I showed. I made 2 videos on this. Yeah, it was kind of a big deal at the time, I gotta say. I had mentioned, though, some frustration with bridge money as of late, especially on the previous video when we talked about the round 2 results of the Beer Money Mania round 2 results show, basically. And if this does start opening up to the public and not just the group, at least some of those frustrations are likely to subside, in my opinion. I highly recommend Earn Plus if you're going to use bridge money to get the most out of the app. Now, I don't think the Besitos games pay 2x, but all the other offer walls do, the surveys do, the videos do. The daily login also does not offer 2x anymore, but it pays a lot more these days, it seems like, on average anyway. It does sound like they're only doing this for a limited time, though, as I had mentioned earlier, so I'm just giving a heads up for those that want to give Bridge a try. And if you want to sign up for this or Atlas Earth, my links are on the description and pinned comments below. In the case of Atlas Earth, I have a fresh new referral code for everyone. So that's it, everyone. Short update. First thoughts on these 2 updates. If you like what you see, please give it a like. I want to start doing goals for likes once I finish moving, or goals for views as well. So let's see how many likes and views we can get on this video so I can get a bit of a metric going. Maybe it might be my next 1K-er for views, who knows. And don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine for more fun updates and random Beer Money app stuff. I will see you all Saturday with the quarterfinal results of Beer Money Mania. See ya.